Hi everyone, in this video we're going to work on developing evenness at the piano keyboard. How do you get every note so that it sounds perfectly even exactly when you want it to come? Now that's something that beginners and professionals struggle with alike. There's some secret tips and tricks that the pros use. I've learned them over years with many different teachers, and I'm going to share them with you today in this video. So let's get started. The piece I'm going to take as an example is the C minor prelude of Bach, because it's got tons of 16th notes throughout the entire piece. It sounds like this. Perhaps you've heard the piece before. At any rate, it doesn't matter. You can apply these techniques to any piece that has lots of fast, even notes in them. So the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to show you some really great rhythms that you can use to work on this evenness. So in this piece, we've got 16th notes. Of course, there are 4 16th notes per beat. Now we can practice stopping on every one of the 16th notes in the group. The first note, the second, the third, and the fourth. And doing that forces us to really emphasize notes that would otherwise not be emphasized. So the first thing I'm going to do is practice stopping on the first note of every group, like this. And so on. And I try and play the notes in between as fast as I can. So it's sort of like the rhythm 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And once you've got that going, we're going to try playing on the second, or stopping on the second note of every group. So I play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And so on. And then the third note. And then the fourth note. And so on. And you'll find oftentimes that after you do those 4 rhythms, things will already have gotten much easier. But that's not all you can try. If you notice that things are still not even, practice playing staccato. And really making the fingers work. This is all about making the fingers really work, every single individual finger. Another thing you can try is playing long, short, long, short. So almost as if you were playing jazz. Or the other way around, short, long, short, long, short, long. And so on. So those are a few of the tips and tricks that you can try. Now, in the extended version of this tutorial, available for all subscribers on petersonpianoacademy.com, you'll find 3 even more powerful techniques for helping you to really develop evenness at the piano keyboard. So check it out, petersonpianoacademy.com. You'll find a comprehensive course there with materials ranging from beginner to advanced. There's something for everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Happy practicing, and I'll see you again soon.